Hello friends, my name is Rodia and today we are going to learn how to create a wave animation in HTML and CSS. So first we are going to open VS Code and create a HTML file. Then you write DOC and change the title to wave. So after that, we are going to write div.c and we're going to write img dot wave. So now I have this wave.png scene. So this is the image I'm going to be using for my wave. Make sure you have an image too. Now go back to our wave.html and after that we're going to write the name of our wave image. So after that we will link it to our CSS file. And in the CSS file we are going to write .c with 100% and height 50%. Now we are going to write background. Hashtag 296 895. Now we are going to write position relative and we write top 50%. So now we are going to write .wave and we're going to write width 500 px and height 550 px. So now we are going to write position absolute and we will write bottom 12 px. So now we'll write animation with 10 seconds infinite. So now we are going to write at keyframes. Wave. After that, we will write 0%. Write 100%. I will write transform, rotate 0 degrees. After that, we are going to write 100%. And after that, we write negative 30%. And write transform, rotate 5 degrees. So now we will save it and we will reload the browser. Now we'll see that there is this wave. And you can also move it up a little. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye!